Hello, my name is George Burdess, pro team with Deer Creek, and today I'm going to be tying a Mayfly Nymph. We're using a Fulling Mill FM 1710 Nymph Special Bronze long shank, size 10, 2XL long shank. Tying your silk, it can be black or brown. Bring it just in front of the barb. Then with some natural pheasant fibers, maybe 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And what you want to do is you want to have a third of the hook, and that's going to be your tail. What you're going to do then is pinch and loop, tie in, and to do the wing casing, just do a couple of turns forward, tie in, pull your wing casing back, tie in there. And that's going to go over the top and act as your wing casing. So then we're going to wax our thread again. I'm going to put on a nice gold rib. Tie in your gold rib. And then when you're ready, I'm using Fulling Mill Euro Nymph Body Dubbing Caddis Cream Lava. Very, very good stuff. And you're going to create what's now known as a dubbing noodle.
A couple of years ago. That's an American term, that, George.
I've heard the term, all right. It's kind of catchy. And you're going to taper the body. So with each wine, just get a little bit thicker, So put some more dubbing on.
Scott McKenzie is currently right side, as well as Henry Gilby. Scott McKenzie and Henry Gilby were both right side. We're all welcome to the show for 2024. Progress Day.
And just remember, it's easier to take it off than it is to, easier to put on than it is to take it off. So we're going to leave a third here for the wing casing and the dubbing. What we're going to do is we're going to fold over the back wing casing, pinch and loop again, tie in. Cut off any excess, just tie in the extra. Then wrap your rib. 1, 2, 3, 4 turns. Oh, that didn't go around. Tie in. I'm going to wax my thread again, just so it all locks in. 3, 4. And that's nice and sturdy. Cut off your excess. So then we're going to get a nice red or Magneta pheasant tail. 2, 3, 4. We're going to get 4, 5, 6. 6 tippets or 6 fibers. And as I learned from a friend of mine this morning, it's actually better if you cut off the tips because they can snap very easily. Tie them in. What I'm using is a Brahma hen, a March Brown dye. It's quite a nice dye now. So you're gonna palmer it. Start at the back.
Are you? Big fish competition.
Go back up the way.
19.
Put on your dubbing. A little bit more. Push everything back then. Make sure you leave a bit of a head. So then you're gonna palmer.
I would have talked to you last night.
No. Oh, just walking.
Yes,
Yeah.
And what you're gonna do is you're gonna strip these hackles back, pull it at a 45-degree angle. These few fibers here, you're gonna strip them out. And what you've left, strip them all out because you don't want it too bulky near the head. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Cut off any excess. And if you brush down the fibers, pull the wing casing up, over, tie in, you pull, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then using Deer Creek UV resin, what I like to do is put a small bit on the thread and then whip finish. And what that does is if you whip finish, then put on the varnish, it covers the eye, and if you forget to clear the thread hole, it'll break easily. Cut off, and then what you want to do then is you want to put a bit of resin just on the top here, and then cure it, and that is a Mayfly Nymph.